Welcome to today's listening practice video. Listening to conversations and understanding both questions and answers is an important part of communication. Let's start. What's your favorite way to spend a weekend?
I love hiking and being outdoors,
What type of music are you into?
mostly rock, but I'm getting into some electronic lately.
Have you seen any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched Dune and it was fantastic.
What's the best vacation you've ever had?
Last year in Hawaii. It was like paradise.
Do you play any sports?
I play tennis on weekends. It's a great workout.
What's your favorite food?
I can never say no to sushi.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl. Mornings are tough for me.
What book has influenced you the most?
The Alchemist, it really changed how I see my personal journey.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas, for the family time and the food.
What's one city you've always dreamed of traveling to?
I've always wanted to see Tokyo.
What's something you're passionate about?
I'm really into photography. It's a way to capture moments.
What's one hobby you'd like to start?
I've been thinking about getting into pottery.
What's your favorite thing about your current job?
The people I work with are amazing.
What's one goal you have for the next year?
I want to run a marathon.
What's your earliest memory?
Going fishing with my grandfather.
What's one thing you can't live without?
My morning coffee.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a dog named Rocky.
What's the last great TV show you watched?
Stranger Things, I binge watched the last season.
If you could learn any skill, what would it be?
I'd love to learn how to fly a plane.
What's your favorite season and why?
Fall, for the cool weather and beautiful leaves.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, especially trying out new recipes.
What's your idea of a perfect day?
Sunny weather, a good book, and no phone calls.
What's the most useful thing you own?
My smartphone. It keeps me organized.
What's your favorite way to relax?
A long walk in the park.
What movie can you watch over and over without getting tired of it?
The Lord of the Rings, it's a masterpiece.
What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
To always be myself, no matter what.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly, though it can get intense.
What's something you wish you knew more about?
Space and the universe.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee in the morning, tea in the evening.
What's the best concert you've ever attended?
Saw Coldplay live last year, and it was unforgettable.
What languages do you speak?
English and Spanish, and I'm learning French.
What's your favorite thing to do in your city?
Exploring local art galleries.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
Spotify. I'm always listening to something.
What's your dream job?
To be a travel blogger.
What's something you're proud of?
I just finished my first marathon last month.
What's your favorite animal and why?
Elephants, because they're so intelligent and family-oriented.
What's a country you'd like to visit?
I've always wanted to visit New Zealand.
What are you currently watching on Netflix?
The Queen's Gambit, it's really good.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate lava cake. Cake.
What's a skill you'd like to master?
Playing the guitar.
Do you have any siblings? How many?
Yes, one brother and two sisters.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
A surprise trip to Paris from my friends.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Camping under the stars.
What's your favorite genre of books or movies?
I love sci-fi. It's fascinating.
What's something you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Skydiving. It seems thrilling.
What's your favorite way to spend time with your family?
We love game nights.
What's something you do to improve your mood when you're feeling down?
Listening to upbeat music always helps.
What's your favorite quote or saying?
Be the change you wish to see in the world.
What's an event in history that fascinates you?
The moon landing. It was such a huge achievement.
What's your favorite type of weather?
A sunny, breezy day.
What's a movie that made a big impact on you?
Inception, it really made me think.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree with my family.
What's a book you would recommend to anyone?
The Great Gatsby, it's a timeless classic.
What's a lesson you learned the hard way?
It's to save money for rainy days.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
Italian. Can't get enough pasta.
What's something you've done that you're really proud of?
I started my own business last year.
What's something you like to do that other people consider nerdy?
I collect stamps. It's actually really interesting.
What's one thing you've learned recently that surprised you?
That octopuses have 3 hearts.
What's your favorite exercise?
Yoga. It keeps me balanced.
What's a common misconception about your hobby?
That it's easy. Photography takes a lot of practice.
What's something you were afraid of as a child?
The dark. I always needed a night light.
What's your favorite podcast?
How I built this, it's really inspiring.
What's a good book you've read recently?
Educated by Tara Westover. It's quite powerful.
What's a place you visited that exceeded your expectations?
Iceland. It was like another planet.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip.
What's something you're grateful for today?
My health. It's something we often take for granted.
What's a film that makes you laugh every time you watch it?
Superbad, it's hilarious.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
Chocolate chip cookies.
What's something new you'd like to try this year?
Stand-up paddleboarding.
What's a good habit you've developed recently?
Meditating every morning. It really helps set the tone for the day.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out other resources that can support your English learning journey. Further practice is key to improving.